Hey guys, okay, so we are doing a prank on her sister, and so you gotta be quiet about it, and we want this one to get 30 views, and about 5 comments, and 5 comments, okay? So if you can do that, come watch this. Hold on. And so make sure you comment what you want us to do next. Comment the next one you want us.
Comment if I'm hot.
Comment if she's hot too.
Because I know I am.
I'm gonna comment. I'll comment.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Like, a million comments.
So
I'm hot.
let's do this.
Does this look fake? No.
Does this look fake on her?
Here, Peyton, let me smell it. Okay, so we have to use that. Where's that? Oh. I'm putting this on the floor because make sure it washes off. It does wash off. Did you try it? Yes. You have to pull out the cat. No, right? Don't. And we have to hide the camera. Okay. Hey, stop.
That looks like blood. Like real blood.
Okay, that's enough. Hold on. Just a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. That's fake. It puts in turns. That one looks fake. Does it look fake? Yes, it does. What does it? That was in the toilet. That was fake. No, don't do that. Like, do this. Like, okay. Touching the inside of the toilet.
Okay, I'm going to do another one. Us three all have Musical.ly. If you can go follow us, if you have Musical.ly.
Together.
Mine is 41 Softball. That's Peyton 2806, and that's Bailey Lima B. So just go check out that if you have it. If you don't, perfectly fine. Go check out that. Thanks.
Hey, put some on your hand so it's. That was real.
Guys,
Let me see.
what was real?
My hand. Okay, the toilet does not look real though.
Yeah.
It's too watery to be blood. So just give me some of that and I'll squish it up and put it in. Okay, hold this. And then it's just gonna get all over your hands. Genius child. Don't put it on like the bottom because then it won't flush.
Bailey, come here.
It's totally not working.
I'm
gonna wash off my hands. I look like I was just at a murder scene.
On Musical.ly.
Oh, my name. Did you tell my name right?
Mine is 41 Softball.
Mine is Bailey Rose. No, it's Bailey _Lima_Bean.
So check out that. And that one
Does
is.
that wash off your skin? Of course.
And that one
Yes.
is Peyton.
It turns your skin orange. I know it says. I'll wash it.
And that one's is Peyton 2806. So.
No, it's not. Peyton Beautiful.
Oh yeah, it's Peyton the beautiful one. So go check out that. Sorry.
This is not working. Look at my hands. They're orange now.
Go check out that. And if you follow us, we'll make sure to follow you back. But you just have to comment your name below so we know who you are.
So,
And comment on one of our Musical.lys that you are from
Peyton's YouTube channel so that
Peyton the Beautiful One's YouTube channel. So go do that.
I don't want let no creepers follow me.
But if you're a creeper, don't.
Don't you dare if you're a creeper.
Like, just don't.
I'll block you if you're a creeper.
Yeah, I'll block you.
Ooh, this is very exfoliating. I wonder who made this soap. Me too.
Who made that soap?
Was it me?
It was you two. I didn't make it because I'm part of their family, just not completely part of their family, not by blood.
Yeah.
And Anyway, so make sure to go check out those and
if all else fails, we can just
comment.
clean everything.
First of all, comment what you think of this YouTube channel.
And if you don't like it, get off. Hangers back off with the towel because we're ready.
Wait, no, I gotta
clean off my face. It's almost time for Addison to go, so hurry up.
Okay, so just go check out those and
Look at this method of cleaning.
let's get into
There's a
prank.
video.
Okay, where should it be?
Well, how do you do it? Towel. But put it over here so I can see.
Like, put it by all the hair stuff.
Good, we gotta wipe this up.
Oh my gosh, guys, does that come off the?
Yeah, it comes off. Hopefully. No, put it like, we gotta wipe this up because, come on.
It's got to be like this. Hold on.
Wash out that.
Yeah. Watch out this.
Does it come off your hands?
If you use exfoliating soap.
Okay, ready?
Peyton, does that look real?
It looks real.
So I'm gonna Bailey, you're gonna stay up here and help.
She'll probably call Dad, so we have to tell her it's a prank before she calls Dad. Okay?
Don't call Dad.
Well, okay, so when she gets up here, do you
think they can see?
let me see.
Right there.
Just use a little camera hole.
Yeah. I'll just like walk in.
Okay. It'll be good enough. Ready, Peter? Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, you gotta go.
Hopefully you guys
go
can
play in the room. Hold it. Like when you come in, hold her hair, okay? So and then you yell at Jim Addison, okay? I'll go down there. Put a little more on the floor. Just like drop here. Because it would look like I was trying to run, like we were playing. Lives don't sleep. Okay, you go get Dre. Not yet, so I'll be like, hide the food color. Yeah, I'll be like, and you come in, you're like, Peyton, are you okay? And then you look, okay? Yeah, because she's gonna hear you from 2 stories down. Okay, ready? Go. So go play in the room. Go play in the room. That's not gonna. Just go. She's not. Just go get her. Go get her. Thumbs up for the fakeness. His hair back. Are you okay, Peyton? I don't think she is. That's
Peyton.
hold her hair, please. That's disgusting.
Peyton,
What?
are you okay?
No.
We need to call Mom.
Okay.
Okay.
The thing is, we can't. Because we don't have anything to roll on.
Oh, mine's dead. Peyton, seriously, are you okay?
No.
Can you run downstairs and get my phone? Peyton, seriously, are you okay?
No, I don't feel good.
Okay. When did you start?
Just a little bit ago. The girls were playing in Bailey's room, and then I just started to cough, and they came in.
Okay. Okay, that's nasty.
It's on the floor everywhere.
Okay.
Well, I don't really know what to do because I'm not ready.
red food coloring. You guys did a really great job of hiding that. Jeez, Bailey. Okay, but
Dale, did you actually leave?
At first, and then I turned around and I could see the red food coloring. I was like,
So that prank pretty worked.
That actually did work.
until I saw the food coloring.
Were you surprised or were you nervous on the first sight?
At first, I was nervous. Okay, paint.
Thanks for watching. Come tune in for next one. Yay! Bye. Oh God, it's like stucky. Love you all. Bye. Where's the